Okay, here is the latest timesheet for Jira by iForward. Here is a customer disputes and I upload this. Newly site confirm. Now customer dispute is approved and I do not agree. And features like this. I click here and press number key, then I press enter 7 hours and I do weekend work. Now I press 6 hours in number key and then tabulator key and 5 hours. And they are in here. Now I start to do a vibe coding with AI and press the timer. And now I've written a ChatGPT prompt and ChatGPT start thinking and do the answered. Now ChatGPT is finalized the work and now it's there. And I go here to spaces and click here and space settings and go to timesheet admin. Okay, here is the dashboard for admins to see developer productivity and best performance. Okay, now I'm showing a timesheet for Jira mobile phone version. This works in Mozilla Firefox in my Xiaomi 11T smartphone. Here is quick entry and I just put some hole here and then I select the issue and press the log time. And then I start the timer, it goes here. Now it calculates the invoice amount for customer and it was 8 seconds, 9 seconds. Okay.